Well, guys, I think I just found them. Yep, these are the infamous World of Wonders garage. These already sound pretty wonderful. Oh my goodness. One. Here we go. Here's the Meridian Hotel. Here, 1, 8. These things are wonderful. Doors are a little stubborn. Here we go. Here at 8. These are quicker than I expected, man. Oh my gosh. Switch down at 4. These are pretty fun, if I do say so myself. Le Meridian Hotel. These are pretty abrupt. That just adds to the fun factor. Oh man, I'm so glad I found these infamous things for me. Oh my. This thermostat's in bad shape. Everything's in bad shape in this garage. Let's get our cab view before we go anywhere. Very basic parking garage though, here to be practical. Here's Fixtures. Innovative Universal PBO1. Good to know there's hands-free hook line phone here. Janus. EMS. 3,500 pounds. 8. Oh, these park. Oh, these ones park, I see. Watch the floor indicator. Here we go. Whoa! These things are lovely. And that's it.